giving me a new haircut for Christmas this year because it keeps malfunctioning for some reason. But anyway, so I did let new hair dry this year. So my old one just had a malfunction and I was having a new shaft.